They say, you know you're doing something good when the devil is around, right? I am talking to a soul that is aligning more and more with their journey, soul mission. And for that specific reason, you are... It's not just about being targeted, because we've been talking about this, by some invisible forces that do not want you to fulfill your mission. It's you're feeling different and you're seeing stuff differently, and people also see you different, because this time you're not joking. This time you've been waiting your entire life for this exact moment, right? You've been through hell and back. You've been literally, since a child, going through the worst that this planet could offer you, obviously for the best, for the initiation, for the sake of this fulfilling mission that is happening now. Because now you're very strong, because now your boundaries are very effective. Nevertheless, the way people are seeing you is changing, because again, you are not joking. This one, you're very serious. You're very serious. You're not joking anymore. And I'm hearing you're not taking anything seriously, which is very paradoxal, because it's as if you're surfing the wave now. You're so focused on your goal, you're so focused on your mission right now, that it's even like, again, yeah, I'm hearing surfing above everything. So nothing truly matters. The way people are seeing you, what they say, the fact that they might talk shit around you even more than usual because you're way more powerful and confident. So obviously you are attracting, I'm hearing you're the talk of the town. And so it's completely normal. But this is very interesting, because you've been waiting for this moment. You've been very, very waiting for this moment. And now it's as if everything around is collapsing. Everything around is crumbling, because it stays the core, the essence of who you truly are. The one that doesn't give a F about everything if it's not for the sake of your own growth, for the sake of the growth of your soul, for the sake of love, the love that you carry for yourself, the love that you have for others, but the good one. You're not spending your energy unless it is going to bring you peace. And this is exactly when you know that you're on the right track. You don't have time anymore for BS at all. Situation, environment, family member, any person. You're pretty scary at this time, because you're very powerful. And I love you. I'm seeing a Moldavite right now. My eyes are like screaming this little Moldavite. And you're like the Moldavite at this time. Basically, you embody the Moldavite energy. You're just like, boom. I cannot stress this enough. You have no time. And this stone is everything about taking shortcuts to arrive exactly where you need to be. And even if it's quite disturbing at some point, because again, you're so confident and you just go straight to the point, straight. For people that sometimes they they just don't get it, you see? And it's not just you being how can I say that so politely? Let's say that you're just yourself, and this is good. Welcome back. For some of you, again, literally, people around you, because this is how God is so beautiful, people will find you. The one that did you wrong, they will find you in any way. They will just find you, find how beautiful you became, or find how successful you became, or wealthy you became, or just everything you created, or the person you are with. They will find out, because again, this is the most beautiful thing ever in karmic situation, is that God works in this powerful, mysterious way. And they will be just speechless. I'm hearing that you're reflecting the truth right now. You're getting into alignment more and more. Transitioning. Someone out there needs to hear that. It's kind of the last pushes. There is some little adjustment that needs to be made, but do not worry. You're perfectly where you need to be. Nia tsara koko nuata. Araya kana taya kuatu no to muki ananaya yamuki. Munamaya Nikara Antaraya, this is a special treatment just for your eyes. To help you see beyond the veil, help you remember who you truly are. This is energetic surgery for those of you that are new. Everything about healing, everything about helping you remove the traumatic event, emotion trapped in your DNA, in your cells, that is put you in a loop, repeating over and over the same pattern. If you want to dig deeper, please check my website. I offer very powerful healing masterclass, and you can also send me an email for a private healing session. Yeah, these little tiny codes are very, very, very efficient. You came here to deliver this golden dragon on planet Earth. It's time. You're protected on your mission. Whole self imagination. This time, you are literally getting ready to meet your true authentic self. You have no idea how it's going to hit the world. I know, believe me. I trust you and I love you. Until next time, namaste.